This is 2 cups of tea, man. Yeah. Beautiful. And then this is the parsley. All right. So what I normally do, once I take out the cup, I leave the rest in the pot, right? But yeah, but this is really good. Sometimes when I'm at work, I drink this like 2 times for the day when I'm at work. Parsley tea, so you guys can see. Look at that. This is what you want to drink. The best time to drink it is when you cool it down.